A 94-year-old man was shot and killed at his home in Huntley Crescent, St. Anne on Thursday afternoon. He has been identified as Kenneth Downer. Police report that about 4:18 p.m. Downer was shot and killed by unknown assailants. Police have not yet ascertained a motive for the killing. Investigations continue. A man was injured in a gun attack at the bus park in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Saturday succumbed in hospital yesterday. He had been identified as 27-year-old German Richards, otherwise called Darby of Spanish Town. The police reported that around 5:30 p.m. on Saturday, May 27, Richards was at the bus park when a man armed with a gun came up and opened fire. He was taken to the Spanish Town General Hospital where he was admitted. The Department of Correctional Services has expressed sadness at the passing of Deputy Commissioner of Corrections, Reverend Orville Moore, whose body was found off the crash-prone Sportree Hill Main Road on Thursday afternoon. Moore, the Acting Deputy Director of Rehabilitation and Probation Aftercare Service at the Department of Correctional Services, was last seen in Farrell Avenue, Moulins Road in Kingston on Monday, May 29. Acting Assistant Commissioner of Police Cleon March confirmed that the body was found close to Moore's mangled vehicle. It appears to be the body of Acting Commissioner Reverend Orville Moore has just been found in the Spur Tree community of Manchester. The body was found very close to his personal vehicle, which was discovered mangled. We are theorizing that this time that the vehicle seemed to have been in a very serious accident. We are processing the crime scene, said Marsh. An illegal gun was seized by the police in Charlie Mount St. Catherine on Wednesday and a man arrested. The Linstead police report that around 11 a.m. police personnel swooped down on a premises occupied by the man. A search was conducted during which a 9mm semi-automatic pistol was seized, according to the police. The man was subsequently taken into custody on suspicion of possession of a prohibited weapon.